All right, let's look at the homework 3.8, problem number 2. All right, it says this strontium 90 has a half-life of 28 days. Okay, sample has an initial mass of 50 milligram. Find the formula for the mass remaining after t days. All right, so let's do that. Alright, so since initial mass is 50 milligram, so I'm going to put 50, right? Then half-life, so it becomes 1/2, so 1/2 of every 28 days. So I'm going to put the raised to the, so t is a number of years, days, and then every 28, so this would do it. So this would be the function. All right, let's clean up a bit. All right, let's check the answer here. All right, I came back and it looks like we got the part A correctly. All right, part B is just we want to know how much mass is remaining after 35 days. So we just have to plug in t equals 35 into the function we just found. Right, so I'm going to round it to 1 decimal place. So I'm going to bring up a GeoGebra here. So I'm going to go ahead and define y of t is equal to 50 times 1/2 raise it to the t over 28 and hit enter. Right, then we have, oh, actually, it might not have worked. I don't know. Maybe I should call it a different. So here, how about, no, let's try and see y of t. It might work. So here, right, then we're going to do y of 35 and hit enter. See if it works. It doesn't work. All right, so here's what we need to do. Sorry about that. I'm going to call this guy, so it's a strontium, so I'm going to call it the S of t. Maybe this might work. Right, then get rid of this equation thingy here. So S of t, right? Then we can just find the S of 35 and hit enter. Right, so we got that. So it's a 21.02, so 1 decimal place, it's a 21.0. 21.0. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got part B correctly. Alright, let's move on to part C. How long does it take the sample to decay to mass of 2 milligram? Alright, so let's do that. Alright, oh, I didn't have anything here, hold on. Alright, so part C, we have a function y of t, right? So y, oops, that's a different color. I want this one. Right, so you have a y of t, which is, we already know, 50 times 1/2 raised to the t over 28. And we want this to become 2 milligrams, so it's going to be equal to 2, right? Then we just have to solve this. So divide through by 50, you get 1/2 raised to the t over 28 is going to be equal to 2 divided by 50 is 1/25, right? So we have that. All right, then we can just take the natural log of both sides. So natural log. Right, so you have a natural log of 1/2 raised to the t over 28 is equal to natural log of 1/25. Right? Then using the log property, we can move this power right in front of the natural log. So we have t over 28 times natural log of 1/2 is equal to natural log of 1/25. Right? If you want, you can rewrite natural log of 1/2 as a negative natural log of 2, and then natural log of 1 over 25 as a negative natural log of 25. It's up to you, right? But we're looking for t, so I'm going to go ahead and solve for t. So in order to isolate t like that, we need to multiply by 28, right? And then divide by natural log of 1/2, right? So it's going to become 28 natural log of 1 over 25 over natural log of 1/2, right? So if you want to make it a little bit easier, so this is because 1 over 25 is what the 25 to the negative power. So this is actually same thing as negative natural log of 25. And then this guy is same thing as negative natural log of 2. It's probably easier to type in. And then you can cancel out the negative on top and the negative on the bottom. So we're going to have 28 times natural log of 25 divided by natural log of 2. Right? So let's compute that. Here, bring it up. Right, so whoops, we have the last one here, so I'm going to put the new one, don't save. Right, so we're going to multiply 28 by natural log of 25 divided by natural log of 2. That. Right, so we have 130.03. Right, we want the nearest day, so it's going to be 130. So I'm going to type it in. 130 days. Right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, then let's move into number D, part D, and let's find the correct graph. Alright, so this is going to be we're decaying. It's not going to be an increasing function. So it's going to be a decreasing function and start with 50. So you can see that this is increasing, so you can eliminate number 1. And then starting initial value is 25, so you can eliminate the second picture. And then only reasonable one is this one right here. It's decreasing starting from 50. Fourth one is increasing. You can eliminate that. This is only a reasonable picture. Right? Let's check the answer. All right. I came back and looks like we got the correct picture as well. All right. That's it. I hope that this was clear.